Today I'm going to show you how to make some Jamaican bully beef and cabbage with some ground provision. Now if you've been liking these videos, don't forget to subscribe for more. We're going to start off with our vegetables, some sweet pepper, some scallion, some habanero, thyme, garlic, onion, and I like to put some pimento seed in mine. You can crush it or you can grind it up or just use allspice. Cut out some carrot, some cabbage. Now once you cut the veggies, set that aside. Grab your corned beef. We're gonna mash that out into a bowl. It's just easy to incorporate. Once you do that, set that aside again. We're gonna need our dumpling now. As Jamaicans, we're gonna need some flour. So flour, salt, cornmeal, and some water. Just mix that up. Pour your water and knead that into a dough. You're gonna form a ball with that.